From Actionable Ops, here's how to put a filesystem safety net under destructive operations with Hermes. Snapshot before, restore with one command. Hermes can automatically snapshot your project before a destructive operation and restore it with a single command. Checkpoints are opt-in as of version 2, because the shadow store storage is non-trivial over time, so the default is off. Your real project Git is never touched. Turn it on per session with Hermes chat-checkpoints, or globally by setting checkpoints enabled to true in config.yaml. Once enabled, a checkpoint is taken before file tools like write file and patch, and before destructive shell commands like rm, move, and git reset. Behind the scenes is one shared shadow Git repo under the Hermes checkpoint store directory. Every project shares it, so Git deduplicates objects across projects and across turns. The agent creates at most one checkpoint per directory per turn, so long sessions do not spam snapshots. In a session, /rollback lists every checkpoint with change stats. /rollback diff and a number previews the diff first. /rollback and a number restores to that point and undoes the last chat turn so the agent's context matches. Add a file path to restore just one file. Outside a session, manage the store from the shell. Hermes checkpoints shows total size and a per project breakdown. Hermes checkpoints prune forces a sweep, deleting orphans and enforcing the caps. And Hermes checkpoints clear nukes the whole store after asking first. Sensible guards keep it safe. If Git is not on your path, checkpoints are transparently disabled. It skips root and home, and any directory over 50,000 files. Files over 10 megabytes are excluded, and the store is capped at 500 megabytes. All errors are non-fatal, so your tools keep running. A safety net for the agent's edits. Snapshot before, preview the diff, and restore in one command. For more Hermes how-tos, go to actionableops.com.